Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitching with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day and a great week. Well, today is part 2 of my review for VIPCrossStitch. So we will just dig right in with the top one. And it was $10.89. And I will get it out, move everything out of my way. I'll get it out of the bag and I'll be right back. All right, I am back. Isn't that cute? It's just a little cottage. I will put a better picture here. It's just a little out of focus, if you will. And you can't appreciate all those beautiful flowers and the little brick, little path up to the house. Just a cute little cottage. Isn't that awesome? Does have instructions on how to start, how to finish. This is one from the new company, and it is going to have, well, it's got some confetti down through here. The pattern is beautiful. There's no smudges, no smears. It's just gorgeous. Paper pattern will match the canvas. It has 39 colors. Very nice. But it has kind of confetti down, you know, where all the flowers and leaf stuff is. But up here, it's more of a consistent confetti. Does that make sense? And it does have B5200 for the background. So if you want to stitch it, you can stitch it. If not, no big deal. Let's see what colors we have. We have 310 black. No 550 purple. We have 666 red. No 823, no 939. We do have 3371, which is a dark brown. And we have 3770, which is that butter color. So that is going to be this pink symbol. It's kind of a palish yellow, if you can see on the actual building. So looks like the stucco. And we have B5200, of course. So very nicely done, very well printed. Very, very, very nice. And they have a few of these different cottages, houses. They even have, like, let's call them businesses, if you will. But yeah, very nice done. It does come with a toolkit. Oh, look who it is. Tiger. 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader, as always. Let's take a look at the threads. The threads do have the product number and how big it is on here, so that way you can keep it all together with the kit and the paper. Everything matches. Hang on. Okay, I am back. So we have a lot of B5200 there. But you have some lovely beige-ish color. There's your, I think that's 310 black. B5200, of course. Let's see what's on this side. Some reds. One of those reds is 666 red. Very nice. Very nice. Kind of muted, quiet colors. Some are a little bit brighter than others, but just very few of them. The rest of them are more muted. Very nice. Lovely moss green. Ugh, gorgeous. And browns. So very nicely done. Whoa, I'm about to lose everything. Hang on. Hold on, it could be a catastrophe. My hand moved that rubber band and we'd be going ding, everywhere. Yeah, that's what happened. Put it back in its bag so that nothing gets lost. Everybody get in. Put that over there. Let's take a look at the canvas. This is kind of a big canvas. It is serged all the way around, but very well printed, very easy to see since it is an 11 count. Nice big key over here so you can see all the symbols. Very, very nicely done. does tell you how big it is and how many squares per square. The serging goes just lightly grazed into the numbers, but your paper pattern will match, so you can just look right up. There are no problems with the paper pattern. But this is one huge house, man. Holy cow. Let's see here. It is 49.5 centimeters or 19.5 inches by, I'm trying to get it to lay flat. 19.5 inches, 49.5 centimeters. Actual picture size is, it has nice wide margins too. Okay, 43.5 centimeters or 17.25 inches. And if I can get it all to lay down, a little over 17 or 43.5 centimeters. So very nice, very well done, very well printed. I love it. Just love it. Gorgeous. Nice soft canvas. I do like that. They're very easy to work with. You know, when you put them in your hands, they're not rough. It's just, and I don't use a frame. Some people do. This is kind of a thicker canvas. So I wouldn't say it's 1/8 of an inch thick, but maybe, but it's very stiff. But, you know, after a while it will crunch down. But very, very nice. Very nice indeed. All right. This one is a Joy Sunday. And it is 35 by 33. It was $5.78, and it is a 14 count. It does come in the beautiful heavy-duty plastic Joy Sunday bag with the instructions on the back. Yeah, let's see here. If I can get it all turned around. Very nice. And there's not a lot of back stitching. It seems like it's only in the, is that word stamen? I don't know. If I got that wrong, let me know. And in the wording, we'll see if it's printed on there or not. Very nicely done. But you may want to add some more back stitching into the pansies. But, love them. So that's that. Let me see how many colors we have. Oh, it just goes all the way straight across. So, it's very simple, down to earth. It is 29 colors. You only have one color in back stitching and 29 colors in regular stitching. Very nice. Now the paper pattern will not match the canvas. I'm looking to see what colors we have. Nothing that we know. No 310 black, no 550, no 823. We have 822, but it's a white. No 939. We have 938, and we have B5200 for the white. So yeah, quite different. It's 153 by 142, and it does show you where to put your back stitching. And here, I don't know that it's printed on the canvas. We'll find out here in a minute. Sometimes they do that. All right. Yes, I have to look because, whoops, I got hooked into something. Hang on. Yeah, it is printed on the canvas. Usually they do. They don't make you guess. So, yeah. Let's take a look, a gander at all the threads. Now, this is a partial. Hang on. Everybody is just clinging to everybody else. Okay, it does come with 2 needles. And there are all the beautiful colors. You have pinks and purples and greens and bright yellow. Darker purple. There's no 550 purple in it, though. I don't know how they missed that one. They must have been short on that this week. Or that last week. Very nicely done. Not a whole lot of thread there, but it's not very big. We're going to take a look at just how big it is. We put all that together. Hang on. I'm trying to keep everything separated. Let's look at that canvas. So see, there's not a lot of stitching. I mean, it could be worse. Been there, done that. Does have the product numbers that were on the front paper, and it says Sweet Home. Very nicely printed on the canvas and the key. You can see all the numbers very clearly and all the symbols. So this should be a simple stitch. If you want it to be, you can add more back stitching around the flowers or around anything else. Just gorgeous. I love my pansies. And I wanted something that said Home Sweet Home. I didn't have a whole lot to choose from. I can't even remember what the other choice was. Let's take a gander and see how big it is. If I can get a hold of it. 35.5 centimeters or 14 inches by 33 centimeters or 13 inches. So it's a little wider than it is longer. Alright, so 10.25 inches or almost 26 centimeters by 11 inches, or you could put it in a 12 by 12 frame. 11 inches or 28 centimeters. So let me look at something. There's 12. Oh yeah, it would just, you'd have about half an inch of material and put it in a 12 by 12, because you're not going to stitch this white part, just the picture. So very nice, very nicely done for, what was that, $5.78? Holy cow, you can't beat that with a stick. Just beautiful and very simple stitch. There's not, you know, you might have 3 or 4 different symbols, but they're not all mixed up. They're very easy. This would be a great one for a beginner. Just a little tad of confetti in these two little flowers, and that's it. Yeah, very nice, very nice, beautiful, gorgeous. All right, and that is all that I got from VIPCrossStitch. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch. If they have any specials, or if I have a discount code, it will be in the beginning of this video, or it will be in the description below. Not or, it will be also in the description box below. I'm telling you, words are hard. Now, VIPCrossStitch only has sewing things, like they do not have paint by number or diamond painting, but they have embroidery, they have beaded embroidery, they have a separate Joy Sunday section. They do also do custom, and they have tools and crafts for all of that. They usually have a clearance section, so check all that out. And I believe they still have free shipping on orders over $69, but they usually have some really good deals this time of year, so do check them out. I know they just had one last week, but it only lasted until the 26th, so I'll see what, you know, their website says now, you know, since it's past that point. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.